Okay, welcome back to another video. In this episode, we are going to look at how we can solve this particular inequality. Okay, let's dive into it. Okay, this right here, this is an absolute inequality. Okay, so this means that you have 2 into plus or minus 2 into 3x plus 1 greater than or equal to 4. Okay, so once you identify that the absolute sign is a plus or minus of the function, then you are good to go. So here, let's consider, or we can decide to divide through by 2 so that we eliminate this coefficient over here. So over 2 here, over 2, so that this takes off this. So you have plus or minus into 2 on 3x plus 1 greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so now it's plus or minus. So let's consider the positive first. So considering the positive aspect, considering the positive one, we are going to have 2 on 3x plus 1 greater than or equal to 2. Okay, so this we are going to have 2 on 3x greater than or equal to 2 minus 1. So we have 2 on 3x greater than or equal to 1. Okay, so here we can see that 2x is greater than or equal to 3. So when we divide by 2, we have x greater than or equal to 3 on 2. So our first value for x is 3 on 2. Okay, so let's consider the negative aspect. So considering the negative considering the negative aspect, we're going to have negative into 2 on 3x plus 1 greater than or equal to 2. So this, we spread the negative through the elements in the bracket. So here we're going to have minus 2 over 3x minus 1 greater than or equal to 2. Right, so here we are going to have minus 2 on 3x greater than or equal to 3, because this goes to this side, you have 3. So now we need x, so we have minus 2x greater than or equal to 9 times 3 times 3, that is 9. Perfect. So now we need x. Inequality, once you divide by a negative sign, it becomes the sign changes from greater than or equal to less or equal to. So here we have negative 2, negative 2. So we have x to be less or equal to negative 9 on 2. So this is the other value for x. So we can say that therefore, or thus, x is less than or equal to negative 9 on 2, or x is greater than or equal to 3 on 2. So that is the solution to this particular inequality. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you very much for watching. I really appreciate your time. Don't forget to subscribe, share with your mates, and I'll give you more updates. Bye bye.